What if one hidden mistake in your sleep was holding you back? Not your intelligence, not your motivation, not your talent, but your sleep. Every night, your body enters a powerful recovery process that affects your energy, focus, memory, mood, productivity, health, and even how long you live. Yet most people treat sleep like an afterthought. They sacrifice it for one more episode, one more scroll through social media, or one more hour of work. And then they wonder why they're tired, distracted, anxious, and struggling to perform at their best. The truth is simple. You can eat healthy, you can exercise regularly, you can read all the self-improvement books in the world, but if your sleep is broken, everything else suffers. Today we're going to uncover how sleep really works, the different stages of sleep, why REM sleep is so important, the biggest mistakes people make before bed, the perfect morning routine, and how you can dramatically improve your sleep quality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to get as close as possible to a perfect sleep score. Let's begin. Why sleep is so important. Think of sleep as your body's nightly repair system. When you're awake, your brain processes information, your muscles work, and your body accumulates stress and fatigue. Sleep is when all that damage gets repaired. During sleep, your brain organizes memories, your muscles recover, your heart gets a chance to rest, your immune system strengthens, your energy levels reset. Researchers have found that even one night of poor sleep can negatively affect attention, decision-making, memory, reaction time, and emotional control. In fact, being awake for too long can impair your performance similarly to being intoxicated. This means sleep isn't wasted time, sleep is performance enhancement. The 4 stages of sleep. Many people think sleep is one continuous state. It's not. Every night your body cycles through multiple stages. A complete sleep cycle lasts about 90 minutes. Most people experience 4 to 6 cycles per night. Let's break them down. Stage 1. Light sleep. This is the transition between wakefulness and sleep. Your breathing slows, your muscles relax, your heart rate begins to decrease. This stage usually lasts only a few minutes. You're still easy to wake up. Many people experience sudden muscle jerks during this phase. That's completely normal. Think of stage 1 as the doorway into sleep. Stage 2, deeper light sleep. This stage makes up roughly half of your total sleep time. Your body temperature drops, your heart rate slows further, your brain begins filtering unnecessary information. This is where your body starts preparing for deeper recovery. Without enough stage 2 sleep, you'll often feel mentally foggy the next day. Stage 3, deep sleep. This is where physical recovery happens. Your body releases growth hormone, muscles repair themselves, cells regenerate, the immune system strengthens. This stage is incredibly important for athletes, students, and anyone who wants peak performance. If you've ever slept for 8 hours but still felt exhausted, chances are you didn't get enough deep sleep. Deep sleep is quality sleep. Stage 4, REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. This is the stage where most dreaming occurs. But REM sleep is much more than dreams. It's where memories are consolidated, creativity increases, problem-solving improves, emotional regulation happens. Scientists often describe REM sleep as therapy for the brain. During REM sleep, your brain processes experiences and emotions from the day. This is why sleep often helps people make better decisions. The brain literally reorganizes information while you sleep. Without enough REM sleep, concentration, learning, and creativity suffer. What destroys your sleep? Now that we know how sleep works, let's talk about the habits silently ruining it. 1. Using your phone before bed. Your phone emits blue light. Blue light suppresses melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. When melatonin decreases, falling asleep becomes harder. Try avoiding screens at least 1 hour before bed. 2. Caffeine too late. Caffeine can remain in your system for many hours. Even if you fall asleep, caffeine may reduce deep sleep quality. A good rule, avoid caffeine 8 to 10 hours before bedtime. 3. Irregular sleep times. Your body loves consistency. Sleeping at midnight one day and 3 a.m. the next confuses your internal clock. Go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends. 4. Stress and overthinking. Many people don't have a sleep problem. They have a thinking problem. Their body is tired. Their mind isn't. Try journaling before bed. Write down worries, plans, and unfinished tasks. This tells your brain it doesn't need to keep reminding you